Hi.
Sasa.
Hello.
Hello, my name is Nkoli Mungabo. I'm an international student here at the University of Findlay from Zambia. I'm thrilled to be hosting tonight's episode of International Night 2021. This year, the University of Findlay's International Night will certainly be different than the historical event we have come to know and love for more than 50 years. But even in the absence of sights and sounds, the smells and tastes of our annual celebration, we think there is much to be gained through the sharing of people, their stories, traditions, and culture, even if it must be done virtually. This new International Night format promises to be fun and informative and interesting with a unique opportunity to go a bit deeper and hear more personally from a number of students. While Eileen introduced you to this year's International Night students participants, let's hear from them again and see why they chose to leave the comforts of home, their friends and their families to study in the United States, and more specifically, why the University of Findlay.
The reason why I came here to the US to study, it's because I have more opportunity to study and practice my sport, that is swimming. And of course, they have more scholarships. And why UF? Because, first of all, because I love the swimming team. I think it has a really good environment and we have really good swimmers. And also because of my major, it covers a lot of topics that are important for my major that not most of the universities have. And my experience here has been really great. I have met really good people. I love my classes, I love my professors, I love my swimming team. So yeah, it's been really great.
For USA, right? I used to go to Education USA, which is basically where you get a lot of information about going to USA to study. And I used to see all these people from different countries, and also people from USA, and learning English through those conversations. It just opened a new world for me. And the American dream is so popular back around the world, living that dream. And for me, what it felt like that if I can go to USA, I can meet so many people, and I can actually become something who can help many people, not just one, but I will have more opportunities to do something for others. For me, that has always been the driving force. For me, it was not about earning a lot of money, or that was not the thing ever. For me, it was more about getting that exposure. And for UF, I saw this that our specific programs are very interesting, like our environmental safety program, and I was very interested in environment. I still is, but I may change that. I switched my major though during many reasons, but that's one of the things. And also my scholarship, that's one of the very big reasons, because UF has given me a scholarship that because of which I could come to USA. Otherwise it wouldn't have been possible for me to study in USA.
First, I chose to study here because there are many opportunities compared to back home. It's easy to get jobs, and they have many technological stuff. So you get good trained experience, good skills. And so that's why I chose to study here in US. And then specifically Findlay, I'm gonna be honest, it's because I got more scholarship than the other schools I've done.
As I was applying to different universities, when I got accepted to Findlay, I knew that Findlay was a place for me just because the setting fit, the size of the university fit, and it was also in a very different society than the one that I'm from. And I was ready for that. I was ready to experience something other than the life that I had experienced back home. And it was nice to see some of the similarities, but it was also good to be made aware of some of the differences that exist.
That's been pretty good. The classes are pretty easy to me. The food is not that great, but I love all my friends here and everyone's super nice.
You can see there are many reasons why students choose to come to UF, and we are so glad that they do. I am one of those students. Tonight you have the opportunity to hear a little bit more about me as well as from Matilda Jeruto from Kenya as we celebrate the 2 African countries from which we hail. You can visit with me as I share with you my story and my thoughts as well as model some Zambian outfits for you. If you are hungry, I invite you to come into my kitchen where I will cook some beef stew as well as a full Zambian supper for you. Matilda will share with you some information about herself, her favorite foods, her story of jet lag upon arrival, and you will have the chance to learn more terms from her native language, Swahili. I hope you will take the time to visit with both Matilda and me. Be sure to come back tomorrow. We have much more to share as we explore the Indian subcontinent with conversation, food, and fashion from students from India and Bangladesh.